everything is linked below.
Here is another bodysuit from Los Angeles Apparel. This is the porch color. I love their dark reds, their burgundies. I added this Kelly belt so that it gives it a little bit more shape. Otherwise, this is what it looks like without the belt. I am currently in the market for a wide leather belt. I saw one on Banana Republic Factory. I'll have it linked below. It's so chic and it makes your frame look even smaller in the waist area. So I love it. Just know that obviously this is a bodysuit. It's going to add more bulk to your waist area, which is what I fear, especially with something so bright as a light neutral versus black. So black obviously hides everything, but I like to be a little bit daring by switching things up and making light of things, literally. So you guys know that I like to wear light bottoms because I feel like it matches colors better. And this is a thong bodysuit. It's the same material. I had a black version of this. I still have it. This skirt is from H&M and I kind of coordinated these outfits, these pieces from H&M and Los Angeles Apparel because H&M had the skirts, Los Angeles Apparel has the tops. I got the bodysuit specifically so that when I wear bottoms, especially two-piece sets, I don't have to keep tucking them in or fitting them in a certain way. And this is really, I could definitely wear a black belt with this to break it up. But this skirt is high-waisted. Naturally, you can move it down to be mid-waist or low-waist, which I love. This is the lighter, warmer tone version, and this skirt is a little bit longer. I know it looks similar, but I just want to show you side by side. This is darker, it's more gray, cool tone. And this is, I feel like I want to say neutral tone. It's warmer than this. I want to know your opinion. What complements my tone better, this one or this one? It's kind of hard to tell. I like the fact that I can alternate all three of these skirts with the three tops that I just got with the three bodysuits. So the long sleeve, this one, and then I have this one in dolphin blue. I'm going to try this on for you. This is what it looks like, the thong back. It looks tiny. It looks like a little kid's swimsuit or something, but that's how stretchy it is. It's so comfortable, open back. Be sure to put on some sunscreen or have a lightweight cover top. Here is the longer version. This is high-waisted. This is a proper maxi skirt. I like this cool tone look together, and I obviously can alternate it. It's vented in the back once again, and it reaches the ground. It's a proper maxi skirt. Yes, this does have a wider elastic band than the other one. This one has a stitch-in elastic band that shows on the front. This one is a bit more subtle. It shows only on the inside. I like this version better because it has a lot of the things I like. It's a bit longer. I don't have to worry about summer tanning. It has the more discreet band. And I think I'll wear this with a dress shirt for work or a sweater because this is a really nice covered up look. Casual, going out to groceries, and it's really chic. It's a bit of a bodycon look, so just as a heads up if you don't like wearing skin tight clothes. This bodysuit also really cinches you in, so if you are trying to hide any lumps, it really hides everything. Sign up to my newsletter linked below. You'll get tons of outfit mood boards with classic and elegant style inspiration. Follow me on LTK and Instagram at Gia G. Dixon for more style. Office is a mess right now because I've been sick for the past 4 days. I'm gonna see what I need to get rid of permanently. I got this from Amazon. It came a few days ago while I was sick, and it's a bag organizer. This way, when you switch out your bags, you don't have to take out all your stuff or forget stuff. That's happened to me. So I got this bag organizer. It helps things not rattle around. I got one in the smallest size of all my bags. If it fits in the small size, then it can fit in all my bags. It came separate and I didn't realize the ends had Velcro on them, but they stay sturdy inside. This long pouch has a zipper pouch, and then this is this big part. You can attach this to the bag itself on the inside or attach it to your keys, and it's got pockets on the sides also. Let me try this and see what bags this fits in. make sure that you measure the dimensions properly. I'm going to show you this hat up here now. It's dark. I got this hat from Free People, but I don't love it either. I deliberately got it because it's dark, so it looks similar to my hair color from afar, and it looks like if I didn't style my hair. I usually like my hair to be a bit taller in shape so that it gives my crown a little bit more height. When I wear a hat, I don't want it to flatten my head, or else I look like I have a really heavy jawline, like a soft look. I really like when you have no makeup on and you simply tie your hair up. I just did a French twist today. This is really nice and bendy, but it's still stiff. It is packable, but it's still stiff. I've seen so many packable hats. I own packable hats. They don't really keep their shape, but this brim really keeps its shape. My eyes saw something aesthetically stunning, but my heart said no. Next are these two hair clips from Free People. They're octopus clips. I'll have them links below. This is the original one I had before. The first time I got this was $18, then it went down to $10, now it's $12. Inflation will do crazy things. I only had this for a few, 2 years now. These are the sturdiest claws, considering that I've had this for years. I've had H&M hair claws like this size. They were $5, $10. They broke the moment I put them in. And they also have these little claws on the inside, little combs that also grip and hold your hair a little bit better. These were $48, these gold earrings, but I felt like, first off, they were large. Let me know what you think in the comments below with the sizing, or if it's too small for my face, if the balance is okay, or if it's too simple. I want to know what you guys think. I can totally see my fringe. I got this pair of olive linen trousers from H&M. They're the most beautiful shade of green, and they're really lightweight, so if you want to tuck in your shirt, it's probably gonna pop through. If your shirt is starchy, so lightweight, easy to move in, stretchy, because it has this elastic band in the back. I'm not typically a fan of elastic bands, but it really does hug your waist. US 2 for H&M, and I think their sizing with this is a bit more forgiving because the front doesn't have the band, but the back does. I don't like showing this because then it looks really casual. It looks like pajama trousers. I got these from Banana Republic Factory. These are a light cream beige where it's a bit more cool tone, so it doesn't have a lot of yellow in it, which is perfect for me. This is definitely my style. My eyes look more vivid. It's the waist, so I please forgive my tailoring skills, but I cut 1/2 inch in here. Nobody will see it because I put it where the seam is, so my arm will typically be covering this. These are linen, so these are half cotton, half linen. I found this really cool trick where instead of hemming the entire thing all along, iron it flat, and then where you want it to be hemmed, and then stitch every couple inches in between so you're not just sitting there for hours, was a time saver. Little waist fix was so quick. It's meant to have a break in it deliberately, but I didn't want it to be dragging so much on the ground in case I do wear flats with them. This is a really old hat that I got from Anthropologie. It's a couple years old now, and the first time that I got to use it was here, and it makes perfect sense because you need a white hat to cover your décolleté, your neck, and everything. I wear this for just every day outside. This vacuum, I've had my eye on it for what, a year? And I was obsessing over it, and I was looking at all the specs, wanted to make sure it was all right. Sorry if I'm making you sick with all the movement. I like it because you can press the button while you do it, and that's a natural tendency you have when vacuuming, is gripping onto whatever it is that you are vacuuming with. It doesn't turn on like you plug it in and it already is on and is vacuuming the whole time while it's plugged in. You press it as you go. It's very natural, it's really easy. It's also really lightweight, and it has all these attachments, as you can see right there. You can see all the dirt right away. We finally got this. I think we got it from Costco or through our Costco membership. Definitely worth having a look. This is not a vlog. This is just a record showing that I actually clean around the house. It's to prove to Mr. Dixon later down the line in case he says that I didn't do it. Makeup just yet. I just got out the shower. I still have my socks on. I always put on socks after I put lotion after a shower. This bodysuit is from Los Angeles Apparel, and it is a thong bodysuit. It's this wide scoop top, and there is a short sleeve version I have in my all black haul, but I'll have that linked below, and it comes in so many colors. I love Los Angeles Apparel bodysuits because the cotton is sourced from the USA, and it is made in Los Angeles with fair wages, and they even introduce you to all the workers in the factory in emails. So this is really comfy stretch. This is really fitted. So I'm an extra small US2. My measurements are in the description below for reference, and this is very, very tight, so you might want to size up. And also I heard that people who are taller, I'm 5'2.5", they have a hard time fitting into these bodysuits because it really hikes up. So size up if you're a little bit of a taller person and if you have a longer torso. This is cotton elastane blend, so it's really stretchy, it's comfortable, and a lot of their stuff is really for aerobics dancing. I feel like very 1980s. A lot of their ads are that way too, and the back is closed. This is a really great everyday bodysuit. This skirt is from H&M. I cannot tell you how well H&M just hits the mark every time when it comes to essentials and styles that I love that are timeless. I got this in an extra small US2. The band is stretchy, it's elastic, but it is so fitted just the way I like it. It's not just like, oh, it's a little bit. No, it's like really well made, well constructed. You can see my bodysuit through my skirt. So wear a lighter top, wear a lighter bodysuit, wear nude seamless underwear. And for the type of person who doesn't like seeing the light between the thighs, then wear a silk slip skirt underneath. Sorry, I look so crazy right now. I just got out the shower. This skirt is so form-fitting without making you look bulky. If you have broad shoulders, you probably know this. Have a really exaggerated hourglass the way I do. Even when I was first going through puberty, my hourglass went really, really far in, and then my hips went really, really out. When you wear pleated material or skirts that have a ton of material here, it makes your hips look huge, and then you look really wide. So this is not that. This skirt, I was really pleasantly surprised from H&M. It's not only stretchy, but it feels so thick. It feels incredible. I just thought that it was a pleated skirt, and I needed a light pleated skirt. I have a black one, and it is so chic. I can't wait to style this in so many ways. I'm gonna wear this to work, I'm gonna wear this on my day off, I'm gonna wear this everywhere because I want to keep this skirt forever. Also, if you're wondering, Gigi, why are you wearing a black long sleeve in the middle of summer? It's because, well, middle of June, it's because it is so unpredictable. I actually woke up and it was quite cold this morning. It's 64 degrees, it's currently raining. And because of this, I noticed this when we first moved here, the weather is really unpredictable, and I needed something waterproof to dress me up for work. And if you're doing serious business, you want people to take you seriously. So I got my husband a Burberry coat, and it's one of those incredible double coats where it has the fleece attachment on the inside, and then it's the proper water repellent material on the outside. I got so lucky. It's a proper trench coat. So this is meant for in the city versus my countryside rain jacket, because if you wear a trench coat in the countryside, you look really stupid. You look like you don't fit properly. You look like you're too dressed up. It's like wearing heels on the grass. It doesn't work. Stilettos specifically. This has the water repellent technology, and it has the belt. Imagine this with my work trousers and a dress shirt. I like when people also just tie their trench coats because they have places to be, they get up. I think it's so chic. I'm gonna steam this and make it look a bit nicer. It's got great pockets, and what I love is that it has inside pockets. It has so many buttons that are on the inside to make sure it's fastened and secure, which I love. And you can raise the lapel. It's got everything a proper trench coat from World War I should have, and it is so chic. It makes a lot of noise. But this is everything I've ever wanted in a trench coat. It's also the gray material, because camel on me just disappears, where this really brings out my eyes. Right now I can't afford a $3,000 Burberry trench coat because most of the world can't. If you look at the statistics, every time I find a trench coat that is Burberry and it's affordable, say it's like in the $400 range, the material on the outside is obliterated. I don't know if people wash their coats and then iron them after, because that destroys the whole hermetic sealing. I don't understand why people don't properly take care of their clothes. I wanted something that is truly for the purpose and just a bit dressed up. I'm not trying to be fancy or anything. It really rains here and it pours, it storms here. And I found this used for half off. It still has the tag on it. It's new. The person didn't return it right away, so they wanted somewhere close to the original price, but I offered half price and I still got it. So just make an offer, people will take whatever, and they're probably trying to get rid of their stuff. I wasn't making them a lowball offer either, because this was an expensive jacket and I'm sure they're probably trying to just get rid of this. They don't need it. Quilted on the inside with the lining. It's really pretty. I hope you enjoyed this. Give this a like, subscribe, and click the bell for more elegant style and high quality living. Let me know if you have any elegant suggestions for the summer heat, dressing and styling and beauty. I kind of have the best audience in the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.